Good morning, principles of biology people. I just put together one quick message for you because Thursday, May 7th at 1, I think we're going to start your final exam. So I get to torment you one last time. Unfortunately, it won't be quite as nasty as I would like, but that's just the way it goes. I prefer to torment you in person, but this is the best I can do because you never know what I have. Studying for the exam, of course, it covers everything. I'd say go over your old exams, but you only have the first exam. The second exam is sitting in my truck. We never got that back to you. So you've got your notes, you've got your book. Use that. If you remember the material on the old exams, I'm not going to use all the questions necessarily, but there will be some overlap, same types of questions. I'm probably just going to give you a 50 multiple choice. It's a little smaller than normal, but I'm kind of lazy. You got to input all of these things manually back into the computer to set them up for online quizzes. So about 50 multiple choice. What does it cover? We started with development. So all the, cleavage, extraembryonic membranes, the developmental stages through neurulation. So just review that quickly. A little taxonomy, we kind of did that in lab, just some basics of the taxonomic categories and systems we used. Not too many questions there, just a few. Then we did the nervous system. We spent a fair bit of time on the nervous system, so make sure you remember action potentials, synapses, resting membrane potentials, depolarization, repolarization, synaptic, graded potentials, all of that fun stuff, the excitatory synapses, inhibitory synapses. A little bit on skeletal muscle contraction. Then a little bit on circulatory, respiratory, and then there'll be a bit on natural selection, evolution. I guess we did a lecture or so on that. So that's where I'll pull my questions from, get about 50 multiple choice. Breakdown, it might be, let's say 8 development, a couple taxonomy, 15 or so on nervous system, about 8 on the muscles, 10 on circulatory, 10 on respiratory, 5 or 6 on evolution, natural selection. I probably don't add up to 50, but that's a general idea. There's going to be more on the nervous system than there would be on, say, natural selection, evolution, because it's like 5 lectures versus 1, more content. That's about all I can tell you. Enjoy. Oh, the way we'll do the final grades? I got half your grade. Once I get the final exam and the frog paper, I think I'm still waiting on a frog paper too, but I'll be punching those into Blackboard eventually. But I'm going to take my grade and I just calculate a percentage. All the points possible, all the points you got, do the division, get a percentage. Let's say, you got 100% for myself. No one did, but it's possible. And then you get 50% of Martha's percentage. So let's say you got 100% mine, 50% of Martha's. We just average those two together. It's half and half. That gives you 75. But that's kind of the way it goes. So my percentage averaged in with Martha's final percentage. That's basically how we calculate your grade. Doesn't have the same, we won't have the same number of points as on the syllabus. We didn't do market recapture. It's a real bummer. We didn't do any field trips. We didn't do freshwater ecology. We didn't go out on a boat. We didn't do any of those. So those points just aren't there. I guess that's all I got for you. Take care. Good luck with everything. Be safe. When it's legal, come and visit.